Law 5. So much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life. Judgment. Reputation is the cornerstone of power. Through reputation alone, you can intimidate and win. Once it slips, however, you are vulnerable and will be attacked on all sides. Make your reputation unassailable. Always be alert to potential attacks and thwart them before they happen. Meanwhile, learn to destroy your enemies by opening holes in their own reputations. Then stand aside and let public opinion hang them.
You can't take my phone, sir. Sir, I have a right to film. I have a right to film.
Get back. You guys can record. Just back up a little bit more, all right?
What do you do? What do you do?
Just back up.
What do you do?
You're going to see that right now. I just need you guys to back up.
I'm not ready on the show!
Don't resist! Don't resist! Don't resist! Get back!
Just back up a little bit more, all right?
What do you do?
Just back up. You're going to see that right now. I just need you guys to back up.
Hey!
You guys can record.
Don't worry!
Yo, back up, bro. Just back up.
Just record both of us. Up behind these cars right here. That's it. You guys can keep recording. Just back up behind these cars. Come on.
Money don't make no money.
Pretty shiny car though.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. It looks like it. We're being careful. It's all good.
Step away from my car.
I was filming my car, man.
No, you weren't. You were filming my car.
Do you own that car? I'm a taxpayer. Just back up from me. Leave me alone. Okay?
No, what's your
I need you not to touch me.
What's your name?
Just stay back.
No, what's your name?
You don't need my name.
Because you look like somebody who's wanted.
Stay off me.
You look like somebody who's wanted. For a warrant. Back up! Back up! Stop resisting!
Hey, slow
You have
down.
a warrant.
No, I don't. You don't know my name. You just insulted me for filming you.
No.
This is some bullshit.
I got cuffs. I got cuffs.
He has every right to look. It's open. He didn't open it up.
What's my name? You tell us, bro.
Why is he being arrested right now?
We're hands on.
What's my name, guys? Ow.
What is the reason for the arrest?
Seizure disorder? You guys hurt me really bad. Oh.
Good. What's your name, bro?
David,
David, got an ID on you?
should be in my pocket.
They already grab your name?
He already knows my name. He looked up my vehicle.
You know I don't have a warrant.
Looked like that.
It's 303 cop block.
Yeah, you know. Yeah, right.
Had it before.
Yeah, I know. You know this is bullshit. You know
Well, you
guys
look
just
like
did.
some.
This is protected by HIPAA. You can't record here, and you can't.
Information Privacy and Protection Act.
There's also a First Amendment. Have you heard of it?
Well, that doesn't supersede HIPAA.
It doesn't supersede HIPAA. Just step away,
Hold on.
or you'll be arrested for interference. Step away, or you'll be arrested for interference.
Ow!
Stand up straight. Let's act like a lady.
Stand up and act like a lady.
Are you kidding me?
Nope.
They act like a lady?
There you go. Now you can go to jail.
There we go. Perfect. We're going to go over here to this car. No, come on.
Somebody take a photo
It's
of
being
this,
recorded.
please.
It's being recorded.
Stop.
641 Charlie, 642 Adam.
You are hurting me.
Well, walk.
Then walk.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
To the violent incident at a Louisiana middle school. First one officer, then two, appearing to body slam a 14-year-old. Those two officers are now off the force. They've been indicted, and ABC's Victor Akendo with the images tonight.
This disturbing video showing a student body slammed from inside the main office of a Louisiana middle school has two officers facing serious charges. Moments earlier, the 14-year-old student behind the counter, the officer a few feet away. He is manhandled, grabbed around the neck, and slammed to the ground. This was just the beginning. The two grappling on the floor. At one point, the officer appears to make a punching motion at the student. His holstered gun, picked up here by a school employee after coming loose, she moves it to a desk out of reach. Officer Anthony Dupree then picks the teen up in an apparent headlock and pounds him to the ground again before jumping on him. Watch as that employee again moves the gun out of the way. Another officer, Dan Cipriano, walks in. They handcuff the teen, stand him up straight, and then slam him face first on the counter before escorting him out. Tonight, the officers indicted on battery and malfeasance charges from the October incident. Both have resigned from the department. There are reports the officers claim that student posed a threat.
Hey, this is Chicago Police Officer Sergeant Muhammad. I got a person down. I need police. I need an ambulance. I'm behind Morgan Park High School. I'm a sergeant of police. I need an ambulance right now. What happened? The guy pulled, like he was about to pull a gun on me, walked up to the car, and I had to shoot.
One of our photographers was actually arrested trying to cover that story. He says he approached two police cars and was ordered to go to the media staging area, but the officers wouldn't tell him where it was. So the news photographer moved back and started rolling. Here's the unedited version of what happened next when one of the officers approaches the photographer, finally telling him where he needs to go.
Central and Charleston is Central and Rhode Island is where you need to be. Nowhere else.
Was that so hard? Was that so hard? Could I get your name? Could I get your name? Your badge number, sir? It's not asking that much. Central and Charleston, is that what you said?
Central and Rhode Island.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. I'm not putting the camera down until you let me alone. Hey, we're rolling, bud. We're rolling. You hit me. It's all on camera. This is against the law. Quit it. You break a $50,000 camera. Hey. I'm not doing anything.
Put your camera up.
No. It's the only thing that protects me, ma'am. I'm not putting it.
Hey, I'm arresting.
What, are you going to arrest me now?
No. You're going to break your camera.
I'm not going to break my camera.
Stop.
It's a $50,000 camera.
Okay, then.
Today, for the first time, we are seeing body camera video from the drive-by tasing that led to two Willis police officers being sentenced to a year in jail. A jury in Montgomery County just convicted them both for tampering with a governmental record.
Yeah, the officers lied after using a stun gun on a man, then charging him for a crime he didn't even commit.
Developing right now, 3 Kissimmee cops are off the job, accused of lying in court.
The police department's entire street crimes unit has been suspended. Police say other criminal cases could also be in jeopardy.
Well, we all know a police officer's word is their strongest weapon and can be the difference between an accused criminal going free or going to prison.
But what happens when an officer's word is no good? The 7 investigators have been digging into what happens when an officer lies and the real-life consequences that go with it.